Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm actually prepping my lunch for work right now, so I thought I'd show you the meal I'm going to be making. And yeah, I might have made this before, I don't remember. But for new viewers, of course you'll be seeing it for the first time. So let's get right to it. So I got my pan here. This is the same one I cooked my bacon in this morning. A little tip, I can be lazy. I'll just reuse the same pan because I don't care. It's just going to have a little bacon grease, so it's not going to hurt anything. Plus I love bacon grease, so it's not exactly... Well, I love bacon, so it's not really breaking my heart to have a little bit of bacon flavor mixed in with this meal, because it will go. One jalapeno diced up. I'm going to dice a little bit more off camera, but I think you get the idea. I'm actually editing a video right now too, so I'm going to go check on it. There's a jalapeno. Seeds and all. Don't leave anything out. Get that cooking. Alright, so I got some mushrooms in here. Really easy to make and messy meal, but alright, my mushrooms aren't totally done, but what I'm going to do, throw in some, this is a ground turkey. I got this at Kroger, 85% lean, 15% fat. Get that cooking in here. Of course, I already added seasonings. I did that off camera. I added some, I just salted it, and then I added that garlic, herb garlic I always use. Wow, can't get, you're not going in there. All right. So kind of the secret to all this is salsa. I go with the whole jar, add a little water just to rinse the whole jar out. A nice clean jar, which I'll put in recycling, and I just blend it. Just like that. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to drain some of this liquid off. So I'll just do this, and everything is fully cooked now. Put that back in the pan. Then we'll go ahead and I'll add my salsa. Oh, I can reduce the heat too. Make sure I get all the goodness out of there. Alright, once that is done, just stir it up. I did add just a little bit of water to the blender just to rinse out all the salsa. Because the salsa is already cooked, I have plenty of sauce in there. I got this recipe idea because I was watching a video where a guy caught a squirrel, and what he did is he butchered the he skinned the squirrel, butchered it down, and he took the quartered it up. And what he did is he cooked it up, but then he put salsa on top of it, and then cheese, and it looked really good. So I decided to do something similar, but I used turkey thigh meat, which is actually my favorite. But as soon as this starts to bubble again, I'm gonna call it good. And okay, wrapping things up. Started to boil a little bit while I was washing dishes, so Got rice from my rice cooker. If you don't have a rice cooker, highly recommend getting one. Because I want to make sure I have enough for each 4 portions. I'm just going to use a measuring cup and just measure out a cup of it. Into each container. So I'll probably get about a cup and a half out of each, I think, give or take. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I love rice. I'm sure I have, because I really should be incorporating more rice into my meals. Those awesome Asian people, man, they know what's up. Gotta get the rice out. Alright, then I'll just probably go about 2 scoops. Just to make sure I'm gonna have enough for each of these. Oop, I don't know if I'm getting all these on camera. I hope I am. Probably should have got a close-up shot as well. So, a little bit more, a little bit more. And then the last little bit will go in my bowl. This will be my lunch before I leave for work, which I gotta do here very soon because I need to get gas and stuff. Alright, so there we go. We got 4 portions. So today's lunch, and then so Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for the week. We'll round out my whole week, so I don't have to worry about getting a hot meal. All right, finish this off. We're going with cheddar cheese. It would be a little bit more melted, but I was trying to film video. I'm gonna go with a nice half of an avocado, which was on sale. This whole thing was only $1.50, so I love avocado on my... Well, I love avocado anyway, but on this dish, it's awesome. Sweet. Clean my hands up. Alright, gonna do a little taste test before I wolf this down and literally immediately start getting ready for work. So I got stuff to do. I just put a little ground pepper on here because I love black pepper. Oh yeah, so simple, but man, it's delicious. The avocado really gives it a nice extra little creaminess. Getting a little heat from the jalapeno, and then I've got the salsa flavor, which is good with all the seasonings and whatnot in salsa, plus the avocado and the cheddar cheese. Oh yeah. Alright. Anyway, I do thank you for watching. Hope this gave you a few ideas, or at least a couple ideas. Just a simple, the whole meal, it probably only took me about 20-25 minutes to put together. Well, 25 minutes, maybe 30, but I was also, setting up the camera. And it's so versatile too. The only thing is, I've tried it with ground beef. I didn't like it nearly as much. I like it with some kind of poultry, chicken, turkey. I think I've done it with pork. The pork was a little alright, but yeah, it's just money. It's a really tasty meal. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Let me know if you have any questions.